The Lord appears, the Supreme One, He appears in many personalities, many incarnations. Like there are incarnations like Varaha, the Lord appeared as a boar incarnation, Kurma as a tortoise incarnation, Narsingha as half lion, half man incarnation, Lord Ramchandra, Lord Parasuram. In this way, again, Vedas are speaking about 6 types of incarnations. Those 6 types of incarnations are, one is Purusha-avatar, 3 Vishnus, Mahavishnu, Garbhodakshai Vishnu, and Kshirodakshai Vishnu. These 3 aspects of the Lord is the personality who is responsible for creation of this material nature. He has his pastimes, Leelas, Leela avatars, like Nrisingha, Varaha, Kurma, etc. He appears in 4 Yugas, in 4 Yugavatars. He appears as Leela avatars, as Guna avatar, Lord Shiva, Vishnu, and Brahma. These are the controllers of 3 modes of material nature. And also empowered incarnations. Some individuals are empowered by him. So in this way, there are 6 types of incarnations. There are 6 categories of incarnations. But there are innumerable incarnations. That's what the scriptures, Srimad Bhagavatam, is saying. After describing various incarnations of the Lord, it is saying, Ete changsha kala pungsha. Like, although these incarnations are innumerable, avatara hi asankhayo. Asankhayo means innumerable. There are innumerable incarnations of the Lord, but Krishnastu Bhagavan Swayam. But Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So this way we can see that there is one category, Devtas, another category are the incarnations, and the Lord Himself. He is one without a second, but He expands. Just consider it's something like one sun becomes 2, 4. In this way, there are many, many suns become manifesting, possessing all the qualities that the sun has. One sun is non-different from the other sun. See how the Vedas are describing in such a beautiful way. There is a verse that is saying, Deeparchi reva hi dasantaram abhupetya, Deepayate vibrito hetu samana dharma, Jasta driga vicha Vishnu tayabi bhati, Govindam adipurusham tamaham bhajami. Just as one lamp lights other lamps, but once the lamps are lit, all the lamps are giving out the same amount of light and heat. They are of the same quality. They are displaying the same quality. There is no difference. So the incarnations are like that. Lord Himself is expanding Himself into many. So there is no difference. The avatar and the Supreme Lord, there is no difference. But the original personality from whom all these avatars expands is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who is Krishna. Again, why Krishna? Because He is all attractive. Krishna, the Sanskrit word Krishna, means one who attracts. He is all attractive, therefore He is Krishna. Karshan means to attract. And Karshati iti Krishna, because He attracts. Everyone is attracted to Him, because everyone is His part and parcel. When one becomes aware of Him, then automatically he becomes attracted to Him. Everyone is attracted to Him because He possesses all the qualities of attraction. Beauty is the aspect of attraction, and He is all beautiful. He possesses all the beauty. Strength is an aspect of attraction. He possesses all strength. Wealth is an aspect of attraction. He possesses all the wealth. Knowledge is an aspect of attraction. He possesses all the knowledge. Fame is an aspect of attraction. He possesses all the fame. And even renunciation is an aspect of attraction. And he is all renounced. So that is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who is one without a second. See, the clear indication in the Vedas, definition of who is Bhagavan. He is Ekam Eva Advitiyaha Paramah Purusha. Paramah Purusha is the Supreme Personality. He is Ekam Eva Advitiyam. He is one without a second. And that is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. See, all these informations are so clearly mentioned in the Vedic scriptures. But unfortunately, the so-called Hindus are not really getting into that. Even those who are trying to promote Hinduism, they don't have the knowledge of the Vedas. And that's why they're making all kinds of fallacious statements, which is giving a totally wrong impression of Hinduism today. Like, Hinduism is not only monotheistic, but Hinduism has the absolute knowledge about that Supreme Personality. And it's available. Anyone who wants to find out can come to us. We can give them all the informations. Thank you very much.